Okay, so we're going to continue on our Zoom lessons and have a lesson on how to use Zoom on a cell phone. So you are viewing the screen of my Google Pixel phone, which is an Android phone running version 10. And I'm just going to go to the Play Store, and from there we are going to come right into the search, and we're going to do a search for Zoom. Wow, the swipe did not pick that up right. Zoom. There we go. And I'm going to hit the search button. There's Zoom Cloud Meetings, and if we scroll down the page, we can see similar apps, and we're just gonna go right with the first one on the list because usually that's the one we want. So we'll hit install, and that's gonna download. It's gonna take it just a second to catch everything and install it on the phone. Now, real quick, I'll just say that if you haven't already seen the other video on using Zoom on your computer, please check that one out. It's also in our web conferencing playlist. All right, we are downloaded and now it's installing. So it'll take it just a minute. And while we're doing this, I have to ask, please hit the like button on this video, and I'll be able to keep doing videos for you and keep giving you some content that's good stuff, things that you need to know. Alright, so it is installed. We're going to open it up. Zoom. Start a meeting. Start or join a video meeting on the go. Join a meeting, sign up, or sign in. These are the options that we first get. We could just go right straight on to join a meeting. And all we need is the meeting ID. The meeting ID will connect us right into a meeting. We can choose not to connect with audio. We can turn off our video. If you are going to interact with the other people on the Zoom meeting, meaning that you want them to hear you and see you, then you want to leave these things alone. If you are joining a Zoom meeting for the purpose of listening to some speaker do a presentation, then you might want to turn these two things off. So that would be the reason for that. And then here, we want to give it a name. So if you're not signing in with an account, you'll just want to give it your name. So there's my name, and there we go. And from there we would enter the meeting ID and then just join the meeting. Just hit join meeting. Just as easy as that. You don't even have to create an account with Zoom to do that. You can just join the meeting. It's free and easy peasy. So there's your Zoom lesson on a cell phone. All right, so show me some love, subscribe to my channel, get some more videos, and I'll talk to you soon. Peace out.